Okay, students, so as we continue with our topic, so we have here the effective use of power of leaders. Demonstrating their qualifications to be a leader so that subordinates understand leaders earn their positions of authority. So, as a leader, you have to demonstrate your different qualifications. So, as a pharmacist manager, uh, paano ka maging uh, manager? So, based on your qualifications. So, mayroon kang PRC license. Okay? Um, Based on experience. Okay? Your number of your experience. Okay? So that if you want to choose individual or your colleagues to be a manager, so they have already know that they have already the idea. Okay? So, next, you have to prioritize the relationship networks, communication networks, understand needs of others, build social capital, and you have to stay on current events and informations. So, as a leader, as a pharmacist manager, you have to stay in the current events. You have to be more informative. So, like today, the current situations, we have a pandemic. So, you have to update yourself of the different government guidelines. Every week, there are different government guidelines. So, you have to be stay updated. Next, encouraging participation like soliciting inputs, subordinates may have knowledge and suggestions of critical achieving goals. So because it's not only the pharmacist manager are successful, but your subordinates, your co-employees. So let them attend different trainings, okay? Participate in workshops or seminars. And of course, you have to share informations, especially in decision making. So if that decision making is confidential, you have to share it between you and the supervisors or other heads. So if that information is needed by everybody, you have to share it from the top rank of your organization down to the lower rank. So we have here again characteristic of true leaders. So you have the ability to relate the vision to the future for the future. So what is your vision? Huh? Like the vision of San Agustin, Unitas, Caritas. So relate it in the future. Next, ability to create compelling vision, garner widespread support to realize it is critical leadership competency. When you say compelling visions, you have the convincing vision, forceful I mean sorry, so that if you have a strong leadership, you have a wide support coming from your subordinates. So take a look at this one. So you are the boss, this is your business. So boss is just like na sige, nag-uutos ka lang lagi. Okay? So you let your subordinates work. That is business, that is manager. While in a leader in the business side, you are considered to be the frontliner. There is what we call, if you are, that's why sabi ko sa inyo na mayroong manager na hindi siya leader. Kasi ang manager, utos lang yan. Okay? While the leader is the frontliner. Siya yung nanguna. Okay? So lead the group. Okay? So that all your members here, lead the group, all your members here will follow you. Okay? You follow me, you will survive pharmacy. Okay? Next. So, competencies for pharmacist leaders and managers. Accurate self-insight. So, we have here the building business relationships, building organization talent, change leadership, communicating with impact, customer focus, driving for results, establishing strategic decisions, executive presence, leading through visions and values, managing diversity, operational decision making, organization acumen, process improvement, and professionals. These are the competencies or the proficiency or the efficiency of being a pharmacist leader. So later on, if you work, you become the pharmacist manager, hope you will able to remember this one. So we'll try to discuss one by one. accurate self-insight. So, as a pharmacist manager, pharmacy supervisor, or chief pharmacist, you have to demonstrate awareness of your own strength, develop needs, as well as effects of your own behavior to others. So, how do you know this one? So, first, you have to do the you have to invite feedbacks, comments, assessment based on your performance. So, based on your performance. So, in that assessment or evaluation, you can see what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths. If you have your strength, you maintain. What are your weaknesses? You have to correct that one to become successful pharmacist manager or pharmacist leader someday. Building business relationship. Use appropriate interpersonal styles and communication methods to work effectively with business partners. So, pwede kayong magkaroon ng key actions dyan. Establishing shared goals. You have to collaborate develop solutions in terms there is a problem in your pharmacy business. Okay? That is very important. Interpersonal styles. Ano yung style mo? So, suggest na kinana may ara kasang imugid niya na kinaiya or your own style. Okay? Next, building organizational talent. Attracting, developing, training talented individuals, creating learning environment, creating highest potentials. So, building organizational talent. So, kung may nakita ka dyan sa mga tao mo na magaling, so you have to build them because in the future, they will be the next leaders. So, kung ano yung mga ginawa mo, they can follow and they will going to innovate. So, kung nakita ng ibang tao yung ginawa ng isang gin-develop mo na individual to become a leader, then it will reflect you. They will still remember you. Okay?